So Marcus said, I just did multiply by 10, but it's 100.
100, yeah.
Take 4.47 on a calculator times 100. I bet you get 447.
What was it?
Take 4.47. I'll write it above. Take 4.47 times 100. I bet you get our answer.
Oh my God.
Yep.
My mind has been blown, Mr.
Hold on, guys. I'll do
Class,
this.
class.
Yes.
Okay, just like 1 gallon is the same as 4 quarts, right? In this case, 4.47 meters is the same amount as 447 centimeters. It's not. Just bear with me. The second one I'm going to do together. That's a comma. 4,902. Stay with me. It's day 1. Don't give up on me yet. After day, you have 34 days with me. Don't give up on me yet. It's not over. Okay? Now, I'm not going to call on Natalie because she should know now, but someone tell me where, if it's a whole number, it doesn't have a decimal, where does the decimal go? Dominic. It's a whole number. It's not a decimal, so where does it have to go?
At the end.
At the end. Behind the 2. Okay? Good job. Now, Dominic, I'm going from centimeters, right?
Yeah.
So Dominic, highlight centimeters on here. It's the chocolate. Okay? Now Dominic, I'm going centimeters to meters. So am I going to go up or down?
Up.
Okay, Dominic, how many step ups to get to meters? 2. So Dominic, if I'm going up,
Left.
Mr. McDonald's not going to like me after today. Up to the left. Okay, so you're going to circle to the left on here. Now I'm going 2 meters. So Dominic, I'm taking the decimal you put in here. Okay, and Dominic, I'm moving it how many spots?
2.
To the what? Left or right? Left. 1, 2. So this is going to be equal to 49.02 meters in. Natalie, question.
Will we still need the comma?
No, good question. You don't need the comma anymore because I made this, the decimal, only to 49. If it was 3 digits, 4 digits still out here, Natalie, if it was a bigger number, then yes. But this is just 49 and 200ths. So the point of the metric system is, yes, the decimal and the numbers are a little different than quarts, pints, gallons, okay? But it's easy because it's just powers of 10. I guarantee you, if you take 4,902 and divide by, well, Dominic, I said powers of 10, so that starts with a 1. And Dominic, how many spots did you go? 2. So add 2 zeros to 1, so it's 100. So take your calculator right now, type in 4,902 divided by 100. I bet you get 49.02.
Oh my gosh.
Am I right?
Oh my God. Oh my God. What was the number?
4. What?
Class.
Yes.
So when you think about this, okay, when I move the decimal to the left, my second number technically gets smaller. Because if I go to the left, that means I went up. So think this, if you go up, okay, if you go up the staircase, your second number should get smaller. So that means you need to do what operation? Divide if it gets smaller. When you go down, your number gets bigger. Okay, so that means instead of dividing, Quentin, you're
Multiplying.
perfect. We're going to do number 3 together. And then I'm going to let you build independence on your own. 63.74 meters, and I'm going to millimeters. Okay? The decimal's already there. So, Natalie, picking on you, do I need to put a decimal there? It's already there. Well, it's already there. That's not a comma. So, no. Right? If the decimal's already there, leave it alone. If there's a whole number and it doesn't have a decimal, put the decimal at the end. Okay? I'm in meters. Okay. Someone raise your hand if you're confused. I'm going to walk you through this. If you're stuck, okay? Perfect. Kelsey, I'm at meters, right? Correct? Okay, so highlight the middle section. I'm in the middle, smack dab in the middle. Now, Kelsey, I'm going from meters to what unit? Yeah, NM, millimeters. So, Kelsey, now you need to tell me, am I going up or down the staircase? Okay, how many times? 1, 2, 3. So, class,
Yes, yes.
stay with me. I know, come on, it's Monday, stay with me. You're getting distracted, talking to your friend, please, stay with me. Kelsey, you're going down, so that means you're gonna move it to the what?
Right.
To the right, okay? How many times, Kelsey? 3. So, when you write this number, 63.74, we have to move it 3 places to the right. So, Kelsey, everyone else pay attention, but Kelsey, count for me. 1, 2. Now, hold on. This is a question you're gonna ask me. I'm gonna stop you now so you don't ask me. Am I out of numbers? Yes, I'm out of numbers over here. I only went 2 times, so can I just stop? No. Kelsey, what do I need to annex? A 0. And then you move it 1 more time. So then the decimal goes there. Kelsey, what do I do with the first decimal I started with? It can go away. Now, Natalie, picking on you again, back to this. Can now, if that decimal's at the end, I can just get rid of it. Now can I put a comma? Yeah, because that'd be 63,740 millimeters. Okay, so since I went down the steps, did my second number get bigger or smaller, class? It got bigger.
Bigger. Yeah.
So since it got bigger, that means I multiplied or divide.
Multiply.
Multiplied. I'll show you, we went 3 steps, right? If you take 63.74 and multiply it by 3 steps, so I put a 1. If I went 3 steps, how many zeros is that, class? I took 3 steps.
3.
3. Take your calculator, take 63. Is it get our answer? Bada boom, bada bing. I told you I'm not gonna lie to you.
Oh yeah, sure.
Only time I lie to you is about the sewer lights, that's it. And my friend. Now,
I still remember that.
Now, before I let you go, just so I know you're on a good start here, take this answer. And number 4, that's a comma. It's a whole number, so that means I need to put the decimal where at, class? At the beginning or at the end? At the end. Start it there. Okay? Try the rest of this worksheet, okay, with a partner. What? Huh?
So, we gotta try to list this.
Yeah.
What do you? Yes.
A meter is bigger than a millimeter. So it takes 1,000 meters, Jesus, to equal just 1 meter. So my meter stick up there is 1 meter. Inside that 1 meter is 1,000 millimeters. Does that make sense? It's the same amount though, but the number 1,000 is bigger than 1, right? But it's 2 different things. So, Jesus, what's bigger, 1 cup or 1 gallon? Okay, what's bigger, 1 millimeter or 1 meter? A meter is bigger than 1 meter. Okay.
My friend next to me is sleeping
Okay.
on the job.
See if I have my stick up here, I'll show you.
He's on my YouTube crew. This is one of my new ones, Jerome.
Hey, class 5.
Yes, yes.
Perfect, so I can show you this. This, okay, is a meter stick. It's not a yard stick because it's more than a yard. It's a meter stick because I'll tell you, in the customary units, this meter stick stops at 39, but the whole thing's 40 inches. Okay? If we're going from metric to customary, 1 meter is about the same as 40 inches. Don't worry about that. On the back side here, okay, Dominic, this goes all the way up to 99, and what's after 99? 100.
I'll show you a
So,
picture of the meter stick.
this is 1, everyone's not looking at me. We're too busy talking to our friends. If you don't want to learn anything, you want to talk to your friends, then school is not the place for you, ladies and gentlemen. Middle school and high school is not going to be fun then if you don't know how to do anything. Now, this is a whole meter, 1 meter. Inside this, each of these bigger numbers, okay, is a centimeter. So we have 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then they're in increments of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Each one of those big numbers is a centimeter. Okay? Each little tiny tick mark is a millimeter. So it takes 1,000 millimeters to equal the same as 1 meter. But is this the same length? Yes.
Yes.
It's different measurements. And they have different measurements in science and STEM with metric system, because if I'm measuring a road and I'm measuring a safety pin, am I going to measure a safety pin with a meter?
No.
No. I'm going to measure it with a millimeter or maybe a centimeter, depending on how big it is. If I'm going to measure a table or a pencil, which one of those will I probably use a meter stick for? Raise your hand. A table or a pencil, Sergio? A table. Okay? So the purpose is there's tons of different things we measure in life. And so the metric system, we use different things. Just like when we use inches, feet, yards. It's the same concept. It's just a different unit. The hard thing with our unit is that you need to know 12 inches is in 1 foot. And I'm telling you right now, if you're not listening, the first common assessment question is literally, how many inches are in 1 foot? And please, for my health's being, don't miss that question. If you get a 0 on the common assessment this week, I'm going to be super upset. Literally, the first question, how many inches are in 1 foot? Someone raise your hand, tell me so I don't go crazy over the weekend. Sergio, 12 inches. Just put 12, because if you miss 12 inches, you're going to get it wrong. So just put 12. Now, I want you to take 10 minutes. We're behind, guys. 10 minutes. Try to finish this worksheet with a partner, quietly. Aiden, lights. Light warnings in effect. Don't make me.
Okay, since you were asleep most of the time, so just copy the first few things. So just put the right, and then put 447 centimeter. Okay. Second question, put left. 49.02. I don't have a label for that one, so don't worry about that one. Number 3, right. 63,740. Alright. So now number 4. This is the one that we're on. So according to this thing, alright, down equals right and up equals left. Alright, and one of my videos just got done recording. So we're doing millimeters to meters. So where is millimeters on this thing? So millimeters to meters. Okay, so wherever milliliter. Hold up. Please hold, guys.
Was Mr. Kaufman looking at me?
Let's see.
Mom?
Okay, turns out we're gonna go left, guys. So we got King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. That's racist. Another bleep.
Huh?
Another bleep. I know, bleep.
Why a beep?
Bleep.
Whoa, why are you beeping that out?